The 800 has an optional scale add-on, saving you time by wrapping and weighing the pallet at the same time without needing to remove the load. The scale consists of a weight indicator, 4 load cells, and a junction box. The indicator is located above the control panel. This is where the weight is displayed. The load cells are located on the 4 corners of the machine. The weight of the machine is taken out during the calibration process. When the indicator is turned on, it performs a display test, then enters a boot up period. Locate the 0 button. Push the button to ensure the indicator screen reads 0 pounds. The tare button can be used if the user wants to weigh only the product. Put the empty pallet on the turntable and press tare to shift the 0 relative to the pallet. Place a load onto the turntable. The weight will be displayed on the indicator.